Marketers charge thousands of dollars for this, but I'm not here for them. I'm here for you, the business owner juggling everything and trying to figure out why your site isn't getting any traffic. Ranking number 1 on Google used to be a mystery, a hidden secret that only SEO experts had access to, and to be honest, most of them don't know what the fuck they're doing. So here's the truth, you can easily rank on Google if you go for the right keywords. Just follow the simple steps in this video and you'll be ranking in no time. This is the same technique that we use in my agency to get our clients thousands of visitors per month. The first mistake most people make when starting SEO is they're going after the wrong keywords. Let's say you're an electrician in New York City. It's really easy to say, I want to rank for electrician in New York City. But that's exactly what your competition is thinking. And that's exactly what you're not going to do. We're going to let them fight over that keyword and we're going to use the backdoor to get way more traffic to your website. Now that you're hyped up, here's what you need to do. But first, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Open a keyword research tool of your choice. I like using SEMrush because I feel like it has the most accurate information, but other tools like Ubersuggest or SE Ranking will work too. Now, search a keyword you want to rank for. Let's say I'm a bicycle repair shop. My competition is going to go after a hard keyword like bike repair because it has the most search volume. And sure, if you rank number 1 for that keyword, you'll probably have a lot more work than you can handle, but the odds of ranking for that are slim to none. We're gonna take a different approach and actually rank for some keywords and get traffic to your website. So we've searched bike repair and we know that's not the keyword for us. It's too hard to rank for and there's way too much competition. This next step is so simple and obvious, you're gonna think I'm full of shit. Go to questions and click view all. Look for a question that people are asking related to your business. I see here we have how to repair a bike tire. Great, that's gonna be our seed keyword. Click on that and it'll open a page for that keyword. Now you can see this keyword has way less traffic, but it's still decently hard to rank for. So it's not the keyword that we're gonna go after. Scroll down to keyword variations and click view all. This is gonna show you a ton of variations of that keyword, and here's where the magic happens. Scroll through that list until you find a keyword with low volume and difficulty. This means no one's going after that keyword and we should be able to knock it out of the park really easily. And all you have to do is swing the bat. This keyword is great, how to repair a tubeless mountain bike tire. And I know what you're thinking, Matt, there's only 20 people searching that per month. I can't run my business on 20 customers a month. Guys, I know, stick with me here. This strategy is solid and there's a good reason why it works so well. You're gonna write a blog post answering that question, giving your customers a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix their problem. And if you have a product that they can buy to solve the problem, include a link to it in your blog post. This does 2 things. It develops trust with potential customers and it can generate sales. Now you might charge someone $50 to fix this in store, but won't you lose customers if you just tell people how to do it for free? The answer is no. If people want to do it themselves, they will find a way with or without your help. There's a reason why I post videos like this one every single day showing you how to do your own SEO. Most people don't have a budget to hire me and want to learn how to do it themselves. And that's great. They're not going to be a client anyways. But the people who have a budget, they see the value I provide and fill out the contact form on my site. Anyways, find a ton of keywords like that one and write blog posts on your website. You'll end up ranking number 1 for a lot of them and getting clicks from Google. Getting this traffic will start to build trust with Google and eventually unlock more difficult keywords. But first, you need the traffic. This is why going after those big keywords right off the bat never works. You think Google's gonna trust a website that gets no traffic? And that they're gonna show that website to their users? Guys, if you do 1 post per week that gets 20 searches a month, over a year you'll be getting 1,000 visitors to your website every single month. Do that twice a week and that's 2,000 visitors a month. But here's the thing, SEO isn't linear in that way. As you start getting more traffic, you'll unlock the ability to rank for more difficult keywords. These are the ones that have higher search volume. And once that snowball gets rolling, it builds and it builds. This is what we call the avalanche SEO technique. And if you want to take it one step further, add a meta pixel to your website and retarget website visitors with ads for your products or services. You know they're already interested. In addition to reminding people about your business and selling them something, you'll be showing Google that you're a legitimate business that gets traffic from more than just one source, which will help you rank even higher. Bye.